All right, welcome to the City of Darlington for some updates. My name is Mayor Boyd, and we've had a lot of great things going on throughout the season here for Thanksgiving and Christmas. We appreciate all the support that was known on downtown with the turkey giveaway from Dr. Eve and so forth, their team. We also had a great turnout, record turnout for the fire department that did the Taste of Christmas for a toy drive that they raised money for. They had over 600 people show up. We think they had a record number of around $5,800 that they brought in for, and all that money, 100% goes back to buying toys for needy families. And so we greatly appreciate their effort and time of doing all that. A lot of hard work for that. I'd like to give you some updates on all the events that are going on in downtown, the city of Darlington. There's a lot of great things going on. December the 20th is movie night at Wells Park, and then they will start at 6 o'clock. They'll be playing the movie Elf. We'll have that part lit up really beautiful. They have popcorn and so forth out there for everybody to enjoy. December the 7th is the Christmas parade, and the parade is at 2:15 this year on Saturday. So make sure you mark your time and come out and see the parades. It'll be beautiful. December the 7th on Saturday. December the 8th, the Kiwanis Club at 5 o'clock on that Sunday will be doing the candle lighting on the square at the public square by the courthouse. And they'll be putting the big Christmas tree up there. We'll have it already up, and they'll be lighting it at 5 o'clock on December the 8th on a Sunday. And so a lot of great things going on. Christmas lights going up. December the 14th is Repack backpacks at the racetrack. You can go out there and they'll help you with stuff like that. Veterans Affair is taking toys at the courthouse. You can drop off toys for them, and they're collecting the toys until December the 12th. So a lot of great things going on in the city of Darlington. So come out and enjoy it with your family. The ball fields out on Blue Street are coming along really good. Hope to have that ready. Still supposed to be on schedule to play ball in 2025 season. The new high school field is a brand new field, and all the other fields have been upgraded, new lighting and so forth out there. It's looking really great. We're excited about that. All that's on schedule and looking wonderful. The splash pad, we had a little delay on that, but everything looks good on that. The engineers gotten all of our stuff finished up to where we can get through with DHEC on that, to have that ready coming up in this summer season for 2025. That's going to be exciting also. The sewer project over by McLeod Hospital on Castle Perry Road, going out, working on that strongly, trying to redo that to where the line will go up underneath our water instead of above the water. So that's a big project over there they're working on, and we appreciate their time and effort on that with the city water department. So the city water department also has a scheduled time to keep the hydrants flushed. If you ever have any issues with water, just contact us at the city, and they'll make sure that they're on top of that. But they have a steady schedule, and fire hydrants are flush. You see them doing that. That kind of keeps the water clean, the system flowing good. So a lot of great things going on, and beautiful time of the year. Just hope you enjoy your time with your family and friends, and we look forward to seeing you in the city of Darlington, which we call home. It is the most beautiful place to be. Have a great day.